Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the Microsoft Store is not showing purchased apps and games on your Windows computer. So this tutorial will apply for Windows 10 and Windows 11 computers. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, underneath Options, you want to select Other Troubleshooters. And then underneath the Other section, you want to scroll down, and you want to select where it says Windows Store Apps, and then select the Run button. And now I recommend following along with the on-screen prompts here. And then hopefully I should have been able to resolve the problem. A couple more things we can attempt as well. If you select Apps on the left side, and then on the right you select Apps and Features. In the Apps list field, go ahead and search for Store. Best match, come back on Microsoft Store, select the three-dotted icon next to it, and select Advanced Options. Scroll down, and then underneath Reset, if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Select Repair, and then attempt to launch a Microsoft Store and see if that has resolved the problem. If not, you can go back into this by searching for apps and features and then just search for Microsoft Store again. And then this time you would go down to the second option, and it says that if this app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Select Reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select Reset. And now you want to close out of here and then restart your computer. And now if you attempt to launch the Microsoft Store, you should be good to go. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.